This is garden spring watch, and this is a house sparrow shitting himself because I sat in the garden to chase it to his nest. Well, just go in the hole, I ain't gonna harm you, little critter. Just go, just jump up inside that hole so I can film you. Don't be a chicken shit, just do it. I can see you. Don't worry about me. I'm the last person you should be worried about. This little sparrow is nervous because somebody might be in the garden next to him. He's looking now before he gives away his hiding hole. We have him on film, like many other critters. In a few short weeks, this bird will be in and out of that nest with no choice but to feed its young. At the moment, he's just contemplating whether it's safe to go in or not. So I'm just stood here now, but my arm's aching. Wyatt's mate is currently on the bird table. All I want is for him to go in his nest, which he's not doing. Just go on, little critter. My arm's aching. Any time will do. Again, a locked up bird is free to fly. This bird is way too bright. Well, he's brown, really. But you get the meaning, it's a whole from a film. Some birds aren't meant to be caged, they're just way too bright. This bird's not bright, it's a bit dim. He thinks I'm gonna harm him. So, just go in the nest. I'm aching now. Today, anytime today, you better go in the nest because this is what I'm filming this for. How can I do celebrity spring watch if you're just going to sit there? There we go. Success after 2.5 minutes of filming. I'm just going to go right now and tell Andy that I've seen a sparrow.